Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Janitor AI Proxy Error 429. Here's how to fix the Janitor AI Proxy Error 429. If you're seeing this error pop up, it usually means you've exceeded the request limit or your IPI is overloaded. To start, review your IPI usage and check if there are any unusual spikes you might not have noticed. Try spacing out your requests by waiting a few seconds between each one to prevent overload. If the issue persists, create a new API key to reset your limit and that new key under your Janitor AI API settings. Next, turn off the text streaming option found on the right side under the API section. Then refresh your chat twice. This quick setup often resolves the issue. But if it still doesn't work, consider upgrading to a higher limit paid plan or creating a new dummy account specifically for API users. This keeps your main account safe from potential restrictions, and of course, always read the API's terms of service before linking it to Janitor AI. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.